first time trying, there's a cute little dog running through the office. Okay, so this is my first time trying the Free Beat stationary bike.
What's going on, Free Beat? Welcome back. My name is Seth.
It gamifies your workout. And by gamify, I mean that you earn rewards, you earn cash prizes. There's even a health tracker on this. And if you get the bike with like your grandma or, you know, your family member or even your partner, you can ride together. Download the app with the QR code. Link your bike in the app. Start your 45-day free trial. Don't forget, get the Free Beat bike and start your 45-day trial today. If you don't like it, it's only 45 days.